Hi guys, I'm EJ De Luna and the owner of Doppio Cafe.
I am Luis Clerson de la Cruz. I am from Santa Rita, Giginto, Bulacan, co-owner of Doppio.
Actually, Doppio started last year. Originally, the idea was started last year. Then, originally, our plan is to have food cart or cart lang sa event. But eventually, God's grace, nagkaroon kami ng space na ganito. Then, we turned it into coffee shop. So, yun siya.
Dati na kasi akong barista and meron kaming coffee terminology doon which is doppio. Doppio means double in Italian word, Italian. And ayun, yun yung idea ng doppio is double shot.
And we want to give the standard, which is the standard is a single shot, but we want to give the double shot already to our customers. The struggle ni Doppio, of course, is pag nagkakaroon kami ng mga social events. Dahil isa lang yung machine namin at isa pa lang yung gamit namin. And also the barista is same pa din. So the main struggle namin, of course, we need to close the store. So naka-close namin yung store and nakikita namin medyo madami din pupunta even it's closed. So yun siya, yun isa sa struggle namin.
Ako naman, yung nakikita ko na struggle namin so far or yung opportunity namin. Kasi sobrang namadali ng pag-open si Doppio, 2 to 3 weeks preparation. And kulang kami ng mga offerings pa, like yung mga foods, gusto namin mag-offer ng pasta. And wala pa kaming kitchen for now, pero yun yung goal namin.
Yeah. Yeah, bestsellers namin so far, ang most requested namin is the Biscoff Coffee Jelly. And that's for prop. Then the other one is for the...
Sa mga coffee natin, Biscoff Latte, White Mocha.
Yeah, yun yung mga bestseller namin so far.
Sobrang advantage for me na magkaroon ka ng sariling business kasi syempre hawak mo yung sarili mong oras and then regarding dun sa quality ng mga products mo, ikaw talaga yung may control.
Sa akin, nag-help personally, of course, mas nahasa yung how to communicate with other people. Of course, in this kind of business, you need to deal with other people. Yung gusto nila, especially dapat dyan top priority natin is the customer's satisfaction. And yun yung natulong sa akin at yun yung mas tumutulong pa sa akin para at least mas ma-enhance kung how to communicate with other people. Doppio is located here at 2nd floor Jensen Building, Poblacion, Pulilan, Bulacan. Hi guys, we're inviting you to visit us at Doppio Cafe, Pulilan.
Double the shots, twice the fun.